Given the wide range of short peptide sequences, this method can be expanded to many other nanoparticle designs. Peptide modification can make the system suitable for diagnostic purposes.
Encapsulating anti-cancer platinum-2 drugs with biodegradable, low-toxicity stabilizing agent is highly relevant for pharmaceutical applications. Preliminary in vivo studies with ovarian cancer are promising and will be further investigated.
To begin, suspend 50 mg of cisplatin in 4 ml of ultra-pure water at 60 degrees Celsius. Add the silver nitrate solution dropwise to the cisplatin solution, and stir the mixture at 300 to 400 rpm for 2 hours at 60 degrees Celsius in the dark. After that, use 10% by weight hydrochloric acid to confirm that there are no free silver ions in solution. If no additional silver chloride forms upon adding hydrochloric acid, centrifuge the mixture at 3,220 times gravity for 10 minutes. Decant the supernatant and filter it through a 0.2 micrometer syringe filter. Then, test the filtrate for platinum by applying 2 to 3 drops to tin 2 chloride crystals. Platinum is present if the suspension turns dark brown or orange. Next, add 13.3 mg of sodium hydroxide in 1 ml of water into 94.2 mg suspension of oleic acid in 3 ml of water at 60 degrees Celsius. Stir the mixture for 2 hours at 60 degrees Celsius.